Hi everyone, today I want to share with you some fine motor activities that you can do with Poppet fidget toys. Please stay tuned through the end of the video to find out how you can have a chance to win these Poppets in my Poppets giveaway. Fidget toys have been popular for a few years now. They were originally designed to provide sensory and tactile experiences for children who needed help in focusing. Children are not the only ones who use these fidget toys. They provide a sense of calm and focus for adults as well. The latest popular fidget toy is called Poppets. They go by several different brand names, but they are all pretty similar. You push down the bubbles and they make a popping sound. It's kind of like a never-ending bubble wrap experience. They're made of 100% silicone or non-toxic, and they have a very flexible structure to them. Once you pop the bubbles, on the other side there'll be recessed areas, and I'll show you ways to use those for fine motor skills later. We'll start with finger activities that you can do to help develop fine motor skills. The first one is just simple popping. Randomly pop wherever, pop the bubbles, then flip it over and pop them again. Another activity is to use 2 fingers to pop the bubbles on the poppets. You can go in rows or do random. Alternating finger movements is a little more challenging because the children have to focus a little bit more and concentrate on what their fingers are doing. Sometimes the bubbles will pop back up and the children can stop and repop them if they wish. Another great finger activity is to hold a poppet in your hands and push the bubbles down with your thumbs, and then use your fingers behind the poppets to push the bubbles up. One of our favorite activities to do when using the recess side, the area that's been pushed down, is to take droppers, fill it with water, and then squeeze the water into the recessed area. They can then use the dropper to remove the water from the poppets, placing the water back in the original water container. We also use marbles with jumbo tweezers. You don't have to use tweezers, fingers will work just fine. In this case, our marbles were magnetic, so they were a little more difficult to take out of the container. We use small pom-poms which fit perfectly in the recessed area. We take clothespins and grab the small pom-poms and then place them in. Then we use fingers to remove the pom-poms and put them back in the bowl. Pony beads are another great item you can use with poppets. Children just pick them up with their fingers and place them in the recessed areas. Then they remove them with their fingers and put them back in the bowl. Remember to use close supervision when using small items with children 3 and younger. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I will be giving away the 3 poppets shown in this video, plus one that was not shown. So if you are interested in receiving the poppets, just leave a comment below the video saying, "I'm interested," and I will pick a random winner from those who left a comment. I will announce the winner on Wednesday, October 13th. This giveaway is only for those with a continental U.S. shipping address. Good luck, everyone. If you find the ideas and materials I present in these videos helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. For Poppets Fine Motor Activities, I'm Shelley Levette with ChildCareLand.com, and thanks for watching.